Most people would prefer to have a finished basement when moving into a new home. But in our line of work, we regularly see basements that have unnecessarily sat unfinished for decades. There are easy ways to finish your basement, or at very least make it more attractive and more usable. I'm Sean Ryan with the Blue Coast team. Today, I would like to encourage those with unfinished basements to consider tackling the job and making the space more inviting. Let's look at finishing your basement. If you're looking to really finish your basement and make it into a livable space, there are some essentials to making it as cozy as possible. One of the biggest changes you'll make is installing insulation and drywall. This will help close up that unfinished look of the basement while keeping the warmth of the space. We want to put down some flooring, but we might want to put some underlayment down first. Get one that's insulated with a vapor barrier. For flooring, you could lay down hardwood, laminate, vinyl, porcelain tile, ceramic tile, natural stone. The list is endless, or some carpet. Laminate flooring is one of the easiest or more affordable ones to install, and since it's smooth, it's easy to clean as well. Just be careful putting laminate floor in areas like your laundry room and your bathroom, in the basement or sump pump where there's moisture, as it could hurt the flooring. If your basement ceiling is exposed, consider adding a drop ceiling or suspended ceiling to reduce the sound, or some drywall. One of the most important aspects of finishing your basement is adding lighting. Not only do you need it for function, but you also need it to make the space more inviting. There's lots of options for lighting in your basement, including recessed lighting, you can do track lighting, pendants, or even some wall sconces. Simple changes like painting will do absolute wonders. Add some furniture to make the space more inviting. You don't need to buy expensive pieces either. There are a lot of affordable options that will make your basement feel like a finished space. You can also add some simple partition walls if you want to make the basement more of a multi-room. Or a simple solution is throw up some kind of curtain system as well. One of the smartest things to do in your basement is make the space for a workout area or a room. Simply add some foam mats or some kind of rubber on the floor, and it makes a great workout room. Whether you want to use it as the extra home gym, or if you have kids that want to play in there and you want a softer space for them and cut down the noise. Adding some foam mats will solve both of these with ease. Those were just some of the great ideas to finish your basement. Thanks for watching, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.